Welcome to such a beautiful day in Florida, people. But hey, I'm about to do something that I might get yelled at, screamed at, but they're gonna love me anyway. I'm about to put something here and wait for the reaction tomorrow morning. It's gonna be funny. Incriminating. Oh boy. Perfect. Perfect. Won't restrict view, and it matches. Hell yeah. I hope she likes it. We're gonna see. So here we have an A3 in an ugly color that we're replacing a blown motor.
Imagine that.
On
a Volkswagen that blew up.
Ha! Almost done. Piecing it back together so we can drop it in the car. Real quick. I didn't record anything else because
We was already done.
Yep. By the time I got here,
And showed up late.
I didn't show up late, man. I got here on time.
On time is late. Late.
No, my time and your time is different time.
Oh, tropical time.
Yeah, tropical time. You know how we
I
doing?
was like,
You know, hey, barbecue 2 o'clock. I'll be there by 6. But next time we come back, this will be getting ready to slide in.
I don't think so.
Uh-oh. All right, we're getting ready. 40 in.
I knew it.
World of OSHA violations.
All right, world. After about 45 minutes of fighting, it's in. Motor mount and transmission mount bolted up. The whole transmission. We got bolts at the bottom? No. Well, no bolts at the bottom yet, and still got to get the starter in. But yep, no support. She's on her own. Now we just got to get everything bolted up, connected, and starter and belt. Fire this joker up. Hope y'all are enjoying this. Sorry, hyperlapse all the way through trying to get it in because, like I said, 45 minutes. Y'all don't want to watch that. But this the man right here.